In this chapter, we will look a bit deeper at some use cases and explain how value can be created by introducing IoT. Most people are affected by IoT in their daily lives. As IoT has been constantly evolving around us, more and more connected and smart devices are deployed worldwide. We have seen some examples of how connected devices can create value by lowering costs, increasing customer satisfaction, and creating revenue streams. And let's not forget how the data collected from the devices can be used to develop even better products. At Telenor, we have seen many examples of how our customers have been able to accelerate their business and improve their brand awareness with the help of IoT. Let's look a bit deeper at some use cases detailing the value that has been generated by introducing IoT. What value did Carpigiani create by connecting their ice cream machines with IoT? For Carpigiani, this was mainly a cost reduction use case, where remote troubleshooting limits the need of international on-site service visits. Providing quick remote resolution for most customer inquiries also means that Carpigiani enables its customer to quickly get back to producing delicious ice cream. But the solution also includes data collection, which enables Carpigiani to extend the lifespan of their product. All those data points can be analyzed and used within product development to create high-performing, long-lasting ice cream machines. The IoT connectivity enables remote troubleshooting as well as the possibility for over-the-air software updates, which means that Carpigiani's customer can expect their ice cream machines to last for many years, producing delicious, more sustainable ice cream all around the world. Let's move on to another use case where IoT connectivity has come to be a central part of the service itself. Home alarms lets the homeowner feel secure, knowing that the alarm is operational every minute of every day. In the old days, the home alarm product might have consisted of a siren, alerting the neighbors that someone has wrongfully entered the house. But since many years now, we are expecting our home alarms to be connected 24/7, always on the lookout for unauthorized access as well as fires. We are buying the service of a safe home, not just a home alarm product. To be able to deliver the safe home service, the alarm companies use redundancies. They have battery backups if the power is down and cellular connectivity in case the Wi-Fi is not working. This allows the alarm company to secure remote access to their system, enabling constant surveillance, which is at the core of the home alarm offer. For the home alarm company, the remote access is cost efficient, as it allows them to still access their cameras even if the power is down. The alternative would be an on-site visit, which is both costly and extremely resource intense. So by enhancing their system with IoT, they are able to deliver a better product at a lower cost. The home alarm companies have also been seen to move further up in the phases of IoT. Over the last couple of years, we have seen home alarm companies add more and more services to their offer. The connected fire alarm and cameras, allowing the alarm company to alert the fire department if they see smoke in the house. Connected lamp switches that can be remotely controlled, giving the illusion that somebody is at home. Digital locks for the doors, providing parents with details on which kid has come home when. Home alarm companies are extending their service to give their customer an increased sense of security, which would not be possible without IoT-connected devices. Do you have a tool shed in your yard, filled with a variety of tools that you seldom use? I can certainly relate to that. Instead of each of us buying all the tools, Husqvarna is providing its customer with a rental solution, where you can rent the tool you need via an app. The tools are placed in a large storage box, which is placed in a central location, so that you can collect the tool you need any time of day. This solution means that as a consumer, I don't have to buy the tool, but can rent them in a smooth way, giving me access to the tools when I need them. The tools are equipped with sensors and IoT connectivity, so Husqvarna is able to monitor usage and performance data, meaning that they can schedule maintenance when it's needed. The end result are well-maintained tools that are used as much as possible, limiting waste and increasing sustainability. Another interesting and current example is connected shipping for vaccines. COVID-19 placed an unprecedented demand on the logistics industry as the vaccines are sensitive to temperature. Caregivers as well as the supplier need to know that the temperature barriers have been kept during the delivery of the vaccines, as to not compromise their efficiency. COVID-19 vaccines are manufactured at a few locations, and the vaccines need to be distributed all over the globe. For successful vaccine delivery, precision control of transporting conditions, such as temperature and light, are crucial to safely storing, managing, and distributing the vaccines. IoT is used to connect and monitor parcels and containers, and instantly notify if the cold barrier is broken or if the temperature for any reason becomes too high. Telenor provides seamless IoT connectivity regardless of where the shipment is situated, supporting transparency and traceability in the delivery chain throughout the entire process. These are just some examples of use cases where IoT has provided additional value and allowed companies to further develop their offers. Next, we will dig even deeper into how IoT can change the value proposition of a product and give a few alternatives to the business models commonly used by our customers.